So here we are in the beautiful Yarrawonga Mulwala region. It's about 3 hours north of Melbourne. Home to the Corellas and home to the great Damien Fitzgibbons. He's one of my good mates, so a shout out to him. The punters have been asking for the weather report as well, so I'm giving that today. It's going to be a top of 38, so hot as a fowl. Now, in respect to the property market, what's happening? Well, like most regions, house prices are continuing to rise here. Average block of land around about 200,000, and the issue at the moment is the availability of land. So builders can't find it to build on, and owners can't find a builder to build on their land if they've got it. So it's a population of only 10,000 people combined with Yarrawonga and Mulwala. Yarrawonga being in Victoria, Mulwala being in New South Wales. So even in a town of this size, it's the same housing problem is occurring. Its accessibility to Melbourne is a big factor, and the appeal of the lake and water skiing and everything else is a big factor, as well as obviously the weather. Now, manufactured housing, or affordable housing as you might have heard it, is becoming a really familiar type of build in the local area here, and you'll hear this a lot, and I'm forecasting this going forward, that it's going to be very, very popular for a lot of people. Basically what's happening with manufactured housing is they build it on site on their in their factory bays, and then ship it out and plonk it onto your block of land, which basically gets your build time quicker, and it's a much more affordable option rather than the traditional way of building. So watch this space for this for that type of housing. If it's happening here in populations of 10,000 people, it's going to be extremely popular in the larger towns and cities around the country, and that will go a long way to, I suppose, bridging the gap of being able to afford your own home going forward. So there we are, the beautiful Yarrawonga Mulwala, or Mulwala, depending on where you grew up. We're on to Echuca Moama, excuse me. So we're following the Murray River along. And Echuca Moama is the next stop, which is only about an hour and a half away. So hope you're enjoying the videos, and we'll chat soon.